Can I accept money that the insurance company is offering me for my vehicle or my injuries? So let's take that and look first at your property damage or your vehicle. So you are totally within your rights to accept money for your property damage. The thing you want to look out for is not signing a release that will release your personal injury claim. So that's perfectly okay. When you're in an accident, you have two claims. You have one for your property and one for your bodily injury. So the property's separate and it's usually settled right up front within the first 2 or 3 weeks of the accident. So that's perfectly fine. Now, can you accept money for your injury claim? I would advise you not to do that. There's one thing you have to be really careful about. If you accept money from an insurance company, they will want a release, and that means that they would have paid you partially on your case, but you would have released the entire case, which I have seen this in my entire career twice. One time I had a badly injured child whose hip was broken. She needed a lot of medical treatment, and the insurance company actually agreed to fund her medical treatment. And so they paid her money up front. That is really, really rare and in only special circumstances, okay? So you don't want to accept any money from the insurance company until you are ready to close out your case. So if the insurance company is attempting to settle with you for your injury, I would suggest that you contact us immediately. Or if we're not your lawyer, contact a lawyer immediately, because there could be huge ramifications. You could be settling with them and wind up with tens of thousands of dollars in medical bills that you will eventually have to pay out of your pocket. The insurance company's job is to take care of their client, okay? The adjuster's job. Insurance companies hire adjusters. Their job is to minimize the value that they pay on a case, and that's their job. So they don't have your interest at heart. They have their own interests, which is understandable. So we're asking you to not do that, because you could jeopardize what your total case value is for doing that. So typically, if an insurance company is trying to offer you money, I tell my clients all the time, do not under any circumstances accept that money until you have contacted an attorney. Now, if you have no injuries in your case, okay, then it really doesn't matter. They're trying to settle out an injury case and you have no injuries, fine. But if you are injured, you don't want to settle out with the company until you've had a lawyer review all the paperwork and determine if the offer is fair.